In this lecture, we'll use binomial theorem to work on the questions. This one is find the 15th term of the binomial expansion, this one. C squared plus D parentheses to the 24th. Okay. Recall this is the binomial theorem for the general case. Again, the first term is a to the nth, the last term is b to the nth. And then the exponent a goes down. Here is n minus 1, n minus 2, n minus 3, keep going down until to 1, until to 0, because again, you may write a to the 0 here. You may think then there's a to the 0 is 0. It's not. A to the 0 is 1. Okay? Yeah, and 1 times b to the n is still b to the n. Okay? Alright. So here the exponent of n of a goes down. 1 by 1. And then when exponent a goes down, the exponent of b going up. You see down here is 1, and then 2, 3. Yeah, keep going. Until what? Each time you do it, the sum of these two exponents together has to be n. Okay, has to be this n. You see down here, n minus 2 plus 2. So positive, negative 2 cancel each other. You have an n. They all have this kind of pattern right here. You see down here, a is actually exponent is 1. So 1 plus n minus 1, you get n. Okay? Okay, so, and then we need is 15th term. Again, for here is n, you have n plus 1 terms. Okay, you want to keep in your mind. The first term is a to the n. The second term here, n minus 1, but is already the second term. Okay? N minus 2, but it's already the third term. And n minus 3 is already the fourth term. And here n to the 15th, then should n minus 14, because n minus 14 will be the 15th term. Okay? That's important. You can see it right here. That's the reason. Okay? For the 15th term, somewhere here should be n minus 14. Because n minus 1 is already the second term. Minus 2 is the third. Then minus 14 will be 15th term. Okay? Now, here is n minus 14. Here has to be n appears n minus 14 times. Again, the exponent add together should be n. So b should be what? b should be 14th. Okay? b should be 14th. Yeah, the exponent of b should be 14th because add together is n. Alright. Now, this is the key step for the 15th term. Okay? Yeah, don't write minus 15 here. That's already the 16th term. Okay? Yeah, you can see why. The reason is right here. You see the pattern. Now, what is our a? A is actually c squared, so you wanted to replace this a with c squared. What is our b? B is actually d in this case. Okay? And what is our n? N in this case is 24, so you put 24 here, 24 everywhere. Okay, 1, 2, 3. Yeah, 1, 2, 3. Replace n with 24. Now, 24 minus 14 is 10. 24 minus 14 is 10, but times 2 is 20. Okay? D to the 14th, you may write either this way or this way. With your calculator, you can find out this, or you may find out, by by hand without using the calculator. Let's see here. We do 24 choose 10. How we are going to calculate that? Okay. So down here, you may turn on the calculator. 24 and then choose, you do math, PRB number 3, choose, and then 10. You hit enter, the answer shows up. Okay, it's like what? 1,961,256. Okay, right here. And then here is C to the 20th, and then D to the 14th. Okay, this will be what? This will be the 15th term for this case. Okay, all right. That's our first example. Let's see the second example right here. The second example right here is use the binomial theorem to expand a minus b to the 5th. You know, you may write a minus b to the 5th equals a plus negative b to the 5th, because the binomial theorem we derived only work for the positive. And then you can write negative b in this way. So it is going to work for the negative also. Okay? Yeah, binomial theorem tells us that the first term starts with a to the 5th. The last term will end with negative b to the 5th. So first term and the last term is clear. And then, you know, exponent goes down. Here is a, and then here is a, here is a, here is a. It goes down until a, here is a to the first, until a to the 0, but you know a to the 0 again is 1. So up to 0 you stop, okay? Because 1 times negative b to the 5th is this number, the same. 1 times any number is that number, okay? Okay, so we know the exponent of a goes down, and then the exponent of negative b going up. You see again here is 1. Negative b is negative b to the first. And 1, 2, 3, 4 going up. Again, 4 plus 1 should be equal to 5 here. 3, 2 is 5. 2, 3 is 5. 1, 4 is 5. Okay? The last one is like that. And then the number 4 here is always the same with the 4 here. 3, 3, 2, 2, 1, 1. Okay? This stands for A appears 4 times. So out of 5 cells, A appears 4 times. So it's 5, choose 4. Okay? Yeah. 5, choose 3. 5, choose 2. 5, choose 1. So we are clear about that. The rest of them you do by using a calculator. Okay? So for example, 5, choose number 3, 4. I know it's 5, so it's 5 here. So you then put 5 here. Here is negative because exponent is 1, is right here. A negative b squared, you know, is positive, so you do not have to worry about positive. And down here is that you want to write a square here. That's important because of what? Because here this one corresponds to that. Okay? Yeah, a to the 4th and b to the 1st, negative goes to the front. Okay, b negative b squared is that. 5 choose 3 is 10. You may do that again. 5, math, PRB, choose 5 choose 3, okay, is 10. Okay, 5 choose 2, again equals 5 choose 3, because 3 plus 2 is 5. And here is negative exponent, so you have a negative right here. Alright? Yeah. 5 choose 2 is 10, a squared, and b cubed, negative comes to the front, because b negative 3 times is still negative. And negative 4 times is positive. So b to the fourth is here, a right here, and 5 choose 1, that's 1. Okay, 5 choose 1 equals 5 choose 4, because 1 plus 4 is 5. Okay, yeah, you may also use your calculator again. 5, math, PRB highlighted, and then 3, hit 3 is choose, and put 1 there, hit enter, 5 choose 1 is 5. Okay, yeah, and then you have a negative b, negative 5 times is negative b to the fifth is there. Okay, so 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 1, 2, 3, 4. It goes in this way. And you can see here the signs alternate. Negative, positive, negative, positive, negative. All right? Yeah. So that's the pattern. Later on, you do not have to consider all the time put things right here. You just alternate the sign. It's going to be correct. Negative, negative, negative. It all depends on exponent here because, you know, the negative was assigned to b. Then if b appears all the time, it's going to be negative. You see, cubed, negative. Fifth, negative. Okay, if it's even times, you got b squared, so positive. B to the fourth, so it's positive. The first one has no b, so that's fine. Then you have a positive there. Okay, I'll keep the lecture short. I'll see you next time.